So here's Cooper at Camp Bow Wow. The dogs are barking. Cooper! What are you snooting for? Hi. Today's Cooper's big day. He's going to be picked up by Scott, and he's going to fly to Portland tomorrow. Coop! He's going back to his cabin. Hi, Cooper. Hi, Stinker. Everybody loves him here at Camp Bow Wow. And they think he's a sweetheart. He's had some nerves, and he's had a little diarrhea. Huh, Coop? But we gave you some medicine, and we'll continue that. Cooper! So here you go, Heidi. Here's Cooper at the beginning of his journey. Scott's going to pick him up in the next half an hour or so. Bye, Coop. Where are you going? Cooper. Hi. He's a cute boy. Okay, Cooper. It's been a pleasure rescuing you and making sure you get a wonderful home. So have a good time on your journey, sir. Cooper, turn around and look at the camera. Scott and Brian are going to take good care of you. Cooper. Cooper. Oh, you're so cute. He's getting all frisky and playful. Your paw's caught. Cooper. There you go. Say hi, Heidi. Say hi, Mom. He just likes his little butt scratched. Bye, Coop. Cooper. 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 Look at me one last time. What's out there? Yes, so interesting. Bye, Cooper. There he goes. Here he comes.